Hello and welcome back to Auto Social UK, and I'm at GTi Fest. Said to you, didn't I, that by the end of the year I wanted to take the Lupo to a show. I mean, I'm with Hannah, don't mind her, she's just touching in the hundreds of stone chips that this car has, but feeling a little bit embarrassed considering everyone's probably spent loads of money spraying their cars and we're touching it in, but not to worry. Yeah, obviously if it's the first time you're seeing a video and you like car content, then please make sure you're subscribed. And just before I show you around GTi Fest and show you what went on in the day, I just want to show you what I've done to get here today, because there's a few little things that the Lupo needed doing. So I'll catch back up in a minute. So after all the drama of putting the radio in, I've now got to get the radio back out because I need the VIN number off of the radio, because obviously it wasn't originally from this car, to be able to get a radio code, because I'd quite like me and Hannah to be able to at least listen to the radio in the car tomorrow. So now I've got to get the radio back out, which is brilliant. Well done, Tisha. Why didn't you take a picture of the VIN before you put it in there? Great. This is where I find that the radio and the CD player have different VIN numbers. Yeah? Go on. That was... Should I get the top out before I get the bottom out? Come on. Oh! Oh! Oh. Oh. A miracle. Okay. Oh my God, she's only gone and put it in upside down. Am I okay? No wonder it wouldn't go on. Oh, don't you do that now. Now the friggin' select key's fallen through, right? I mean, that's actually sitting more flush than when I did it the first time round. Beautiful! The Lupo also really needs a proper valet before tomorrow. I clean it every time I put it into the office, but I haven't done it properly, and I haven't done the interior since I bought it. And obviously I want to give it a little bit of special treatment before we go tomorrow. So what I've done is, I couldn't really want to pay anyone too much money because I haven't really got the money to spend on it, but I've asked the boys at work, the valeters at work, to give it a once over, give it a quick mop, and yeah, hopefully it will come back looking nice and clean. Okay, so here she is. All the doors are open because it's had a clean on the inside, and it's looking really good. I'm actually very happy. Look at the shine on that. The only problem is now the bonnet does look really peppered, so I'm going to see if I can get a bit of touch in to help that out. Obviously I have got the headlight washer cover, which I'll put on tomorrow. I don't want to glue it down like the last owner, but yeah, look at the shine on that. I'm really happy actually. It does highlight some of the dents, but again, I can't really help that. Let's have a look on the inside. Yeah, it's looking really clean. Obviously I'm lucky that the door cards are all nice and clean already, but yeah, they haven't gone too in on it. I still want to give it a proper valet, but I'm really happy with that. They've done a really good job. So I've just popped the headlight washer cover on it, and as you can see, it's looking pretty good, but there's still one bit missing, which is really annoying, and that's my towing eye cover. And I would have loved to have had a towing eye cover to take it to the show. Oh wait, what's this? It's the missing piece. I'm so excited. So very, very, very luckily, I've actually been gifted this by Pronto Accident Repairs. Those guys reached out to me and said, Tish, we want to sort out the missing piece of the puzzle. So what they actually did is they purchased the part and then they've actually sprayed it in the GTi colour to match as well. I could not be more thankful. These guys have been so helpful, and honestly, please, if you need any repairs done to your vehicles, any exterior, then please make sure you get in touch with them. I'll pop all their details in the description box. But thank you so much, Pronto. I'm absolutely buzzing. And so let's put in the last piece of the puzzle. I'm so excited. Is that the way it goes? Yes. Let's clip it in. Oh, little spider. Voila! The final piece of the puzzle is complete. Look how good she looks, all in one piece. Love you. So there's one last thing to do till tomorrow, and that's to sort out the radio code, which luckily they sent over almost instantly. So fingers crossed, let's put the code in and see if it works. Okay, so this is the code that I've been sent. 1998. So we've just got to pop that in there. Oh my god, it only goes up to 6. What the hell? How am I going to put 1998 if there's no 9 or 8? This has got to be a joke, right? Oh. Okay, that makes no sense. 1. Okay. 9. 9. Come on. Come on. Come on. How do I enter? Set? What do I press? No, don't. We're so close.
If it doesn't say save and it's stuck in a mode, you press scan and button to the right. And at this time, it will give you these set of numbers. Then you enter your code as such, using this as 1 for the first digit. You go to 1. So in my case, it's 1, 3, 4.
Yep, we know that bit.
And then what you want to do after you enter these numbers is press seek to the right till you hear an audible click.
Woo! Exciting! Right, okay.
Music, great.
Let's go. 19, 98. Hold that down. Come on. Yes! Okay. Now what? Oh, I mean, come on. I'm so pleased. I'm absolutely buzzing about that. What would we do without YouTube? Last minute touches. The queen of the touch-ins has got I mean, you've got a real job up against you there.
I mean, this is never going to look good, if I'm honest.
I mean, that's quite harsh, Hannah.
It's certainly an improvement, that's for sure.
So here she is. Hannah has been doing the very, very good job, actually. Look at that. I mean, compared, I did show this in the vlog yesterday, and that is a hell of a good difference.
I mean,
well done, Hannah.
Over here. Not that I've got years of experience, but
You've never touched in a customer's
never
car.
touched in a customer's car 10 minutes before they've collected it. Never done it. Never happened.
But she's looking pretty good. Obviously, we all know the Lupo is a little bit ropey in places. This bit's kind of hanging out a little bit. Towing eye cover, no, the headlight washer cover is just propped in there, but that may fall out. But it's not too bad. I mean, come on, it's not the worst. It's definitely not going to be the cleanest here, I can tell you that for sure, and I'm not holding hopes up for any awards. But I said that I wanted to get here by the end of the year, and it's slightly in better condition than when I first got it, and here we are. So we just need to go and sign on because I mean, God loves a trier. I could win an award. Don't think I will, but I'll catch back up in a minute. Girls in their dubs. Actually, I don't know what it's called, but I've got my number.
Signed on.
I mean, I could win the standard one. Like, there is one that's like completely standard.
There's a few standard cars here.
Yeah.
I mean, not many, but
No. So
there is a few.
fingers crossed. I mean, it's all part of the fun, isn't it? Plus, I got free super sheen polish, which
I've never actually heard of that from Autoglim. So
I know. Is that a good thing or
I
bad
mean, I
thing?
don't know. We'll give it a go.
That can go in the pack of random stuff that I've got, which I didn't bring with me, which is helpful. But yeah, that's good. Hannah's upset because I used all the ketchup. We're gonna rub
burger sauce.
We were gonna rub our sausages together, but she said that was kind of gross. So, what do we think? Should I slam mine?
I don't know. I kind of like it, but then I love the fact that yours is still so original.
It does look good low. Cute. I really like this. Obviously, this has been very well loved. It's very cute. Me and Hannah have just been admiring how absolutely immaculate this is. It's beautiful. Look at that. How pristine is that? I literally said, like, where are all the Lupos? They're all here. Oh.
Is that green and Lupo colour?
Yeah. Right, we're on our way home. A very, very successful day, but there's been a casualty, which is my own fault, and I absolutely knew I was gonna do it, but I didn't put the headlight washer, my loose headlight washer cap, back in the car, and that's obviously dropped off somewhere
at Santa Ponds. If you see it,
Yeah.
there's a 50p reward.
50p, I'll pay more than that. And also, if anyone knows of anyone braking, it will be a Lupo GTi as well, because none of them got the headlight washers. Only the ones with Z-ons. So yeah, if you know anyone braking one, I need a headlight washer cap, which is really annoying. But regardless, that aside, and I'm not that bothered. We had a really, really good day.
Yeah, we had a really good day.
It was lovely, and the Lupo got lots of appreciation, and yeah, that's what it deserved, and that's what I loved. I was shocked by how few Lupo GTIs there were there. There was only
at all, like
there
a
was two of
handful.
us. There was two of us. I don't know if the black bagged one was a GTI. I know it was, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, so there was like less than
Three.
a handful, yeah.
Which is crazy. I thought there'd be a lot more than that. But yeah, it was a really, really good day. If you have enjoyed the video, of course, as ever, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And as ever, with Hannah with me, make sure you head over to Hannah's Car Talk. Hannah got a lot more content of the actual festival and the cars that were there. So if you want to see a bit more of that, then make sure you head over to her channel. But thank you so much. Until next time, bye. Bye.
If you drive a GTI, you're going to get to where you're going more quickly, which means you're going to meet more people, have more experiences, learn more stuff. Speed makes you cleverer.
Love you.